what Vatsonga are doing in Giyani of blood. They have no role. The big roles, the lead roles are non-Tsonga speaking people. Because why? They are just like white people. White people don't trust black people. No. It's like the people who own Giyani of blood, they don't trust Vatsonga. They have zero confidence to Vatsonga. All of those people that are there, Vatsonga, they are all puppets. They don't trust us. My baba jaro flying bacha danuna city. Oh, even if I'm gonna they channel that matters.
Ni live ka interview ya my baba se unlock ta improve la ku ayichikana inkomo ndabuyela hansi.
My baba
vavhakachesu vatsaka vakoye kuti mathosi kirikiriki
jaro kula imbacha danun ashi tivi
amena tala mina like not fair vote
walaba awla
it doesn't good boy
aita
ahe hikona hina n'wina sorry ku hi mi tisela swilo leswi late but a swi boha ku hi mi tisela late hikokwalaho ka mintirho yin'wana na yin'wana hi va hi karhi hi tsandzeka ku hi tirha kahle na n'wina hi mi tisela swilo leswi mi swi rhandzaka mina wa n'wina masiku hinkwawo everyday jaimito hi mina i my baba jaro kula hi bacha danuna xitini oh yi mani mi amukelaka the channel that matters the channel that matters the most hambukwata walava awulavi i ta siku ya wena yi mani mi amukelaka the only channel that matters to watch. I will lie. You qual. He le makumu.
pushanyana that mic.
So.
Yeah, just hold the whole thing. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. You fast there.
Absolutely,
it's fine.
Yeah.
All
right. The return of Limpopo is an event. We saw it live. It was a very successful event, just down with poor attendance. Mara swi nga endleka vini va event ne hambi ko ka ku nga yangi munhu va nga endlangi loss. Vuya boys. Yeah. I don't want to comment much on that, but the attendance was very poor, honestly. So, but when you see the mood from the screen, some of us were not there, it looked like it was very intimate. You know, like when lava attended land, I was put, hey baby, let's go. I got one lava connection cool and Gaza. So it was beautiful. But now much video le he ended ngofu. Giyani land of blood. Mayengani if you get a comment ka page or ka one of Fumani's videos, it will add the comment le nim komba ku yona la. A vole marito ya ku manhlaya. But even chaka ava swi koti ku acta shem na Xitsonga xa vona is not make sure kumani ti actor ta mina hi mina, please fully agree with him. Laha ti actor ta mina hi mina. It's like when I was to act that they are being trained, even though they are trained to do voiceovers. But look, for us to enter all of those things. So, I act Vatsonga. I comment I pick in and Fumani. Fumani le Fumani Shuluban. Ibuku Sika Giyani land of blood. This guy, he thinks he's above Vatsonga. First and foremost, we must make that very clear. Secondly, Fumani must stop insulting Vatsonga. If you story Vatsonga, stay with it. Stop insulting Vatsonga. We are not your children. When I school, I also found the opposite. You must stop insulting Vatsonga. Even if you think you are smart, man, ku vulavula xilungu a swi vuli leswaku u tlharihini. And minkarhi yin'wana swi loko minkarhi yin'wana mi endla video leti mi heta mi tlhela mi ti yingisela swilo leswi mi swi vulavulaka swi maka sense na. Who does it represent? Every time you speak, especially in such platforms, you must know you are representing a certain portion of people. So if your reasoning capacity is always questioned at some point, hey, we even ask yourself, how do you figure out the connection long afika kona na? Robert Shirinda I commented leswi ka TikTok page ya ka TikTok account ya Fumani Shuluva. Loko mi ku Solani is Tsonga I Mutsonga Solani. Ako va hava Matsonga yo tlanga party liya ya Solani. Phela anga xi tivi Xitsonga. Yes, his response.
So questions var. Na men ya usa men tolo alla ke butisa. Ame do butisa me butisa ke lo type. Say you ask the question why when you got a vendor person to play that role. Who is as qualified as Solani? Who is
That's why minkarhi yin'wana tiyingiseni loko mi vulavula swilo. The question was never said why mi nyika a vendor person. So sweswi I lata hi recruiter famba hi hulusa na mavenda. A no nyipela mavenda yini. So it did not matter ku munhu luya I muyini. The person a vula ku a hi Mutsonga, whether it's paid, vendor, Zulu, Xhosa, Tswana or Krepeni, hinkwaswo. All you are saying is not Tsonga. He never said, they never even mentioned vendor. So don't recruit us to your own things. Don't put us to your fantasy world. Oh, fantasy world, that means also flying imaginary space, like yeah. Some like it 20, so imagine so.
capable as Leslie? Who is as able as Leslie? Who is as knowledgeable about that particular space we are in as Leslie? Wamutsonga, who can play that? You think lead roles can be played by anyone? In fact, you think even a cameo can be played by anyone? You know what's a lead role? You know what the lead role requires? So, as you know, Tatana, Robert, Shirinza, Ijeleni mwe, Mategi Basulis, the knowledgeable one, oh Messiah of the knowledge of acting Yawana Vatsonga, who can play that role? I will wait. KMLFM.
No hinya ku rukatela MLFM wa. First, it's a total disrespect to Vatsonga, man. You are thinking that we can't do that. The fact that I am mad doesn't mean that you cannot do it.
Remove the phone, the signals. Yeah.
It's a totally who is knowledgeable. Vatsonga, I will wait. Hey, Fumani takes us for a ride, hey? Hey, this man. Like, how do you come up with such statements? Like, who is knowledgeable? Vatsonga. Who does this Vatsonga? Man. You know, Fumani thinks that what his thoughts or his truth is the truth. I want to repeat that. Fumani Shulubani thinks uehlekete leswaku mavonele wa yena ya swilo I ntiyiso wa mhaka. Ku va swilo swi endla sense enhlokweni ya wena a swi vuli ku I ntiyiso. So stop living in your head and live in the real world. It's a disrespect. When you say who is knowledgeable, who can do that, it's just I get they take these Tsonga people and make them Popeyes like a gallon of blood. All of them. Young Kensipia Wash. All of them. Like they are just playing, so it's like a transition. I don't know if you know what a transition is. So you know, like when you watch a movie or something, and then you see a blink, like it's like, so it changes. Or sometimes they might just they open a page or they just move it up. That's what Vatsonga are doing in Gallon of Blood. They have no role. The big roles, the lead roles are non-Tsonga speaking people. Because why? They are just like white people. White people don't trust black people. No. It's like the people who own Gallon of Blood, they don't trust Vatsonga. They have zero confidence to Vatsonga. All of those people that are there, Vatsonga, they are all puppets. They don't trust us. Fumani has been playing a useless role this season, man. Because why? They don't trust us. By the way, Fumani I'm Tsonga, man. She just blah blah every time. I'm in her aunt. So Fumani must stop insulting Vatsonga. We don't owe him anything. And if Giyani, he must just stick on the production side and focus on his own things. He must stop insulting us. And if we comment on Gallon of Blood, he must stop insulting us. He must stop insulting Vatsonga. Let's go to the next video that he responded to the very same comment. Ulavula swona good way. Umso unyanga tsekina wa.
And to add to that,
Add.
we don't have actors Vatsonga. We don't. Look what I'm saying in the industry right now. The people who are acting Vatsonga who are out there, it's actors like Gallon of Blood who are being repeated all over the place. We don't have anyone fresh coming out. It's because you guys didn't take acting. It's a simple thing that you just walk in and do. I'm not, you don't want to study this thing, you don't want to invest your time.
Fumano, so some women are trained. As it's like as it die. Like me training, okay. I mean, you have the money, you have to do that. You think me none of so one of the men ngasuka kaya straight nsuka kaya no ne university ya jiza ku act. Ni okuma ku ntiro ku ngusha lavangani va ola vata u ta va endla training kwala ka yena ne we. Loko lo nghena ka Gallon of Blood u fanele go through Fumani kahle kahle. Like all these new cats that you see there, but there was this thing about Fumani, whatever the case, whatever that thing is. Like Mwana Leslie, Mwana Solan, the firstborn. Yeah, that guy. Trainer wala. Nalwe anga fight at some point. Amakuru ya ramakuru. Kuna mwana anga fight not too long time ago. Ka ye Fumani hinkwavo loko la ku nghena ni kuma ya space famba hakela nyela Fumani mali ku hambi la training kuna yin'wana engeteliwa ku tiva mali. Fumani can't just tell us we don't have the necessary means to go to school for that, because I know kunota ka mali ni ya ka acting kumbe nitaka NSS sa kuneka kangu unyanyu ku ya ka acting ya ka training uyavia na certificate ya ku train wini uta apply zuku bo unga kumi ntirho wa ku actor unga kumi thinking vutomi connection. Build your own space and do it. Stop undermining us, man. We did it before even we were born. Vatsonga, they are smart. They know what they're doing. I mean, kuna story so tell us man. Let's ask Vatsonga. That's why when we start training and we actually learn, you can't connect with us because I need a book. You can't even add the source. Because why? Mi tiva ngo book, mi dyondzeke ngopfu. Mi la ku endlela swiphunta swilo. Leswi mi tlhaka mi swi rhukatela loko mi twa ku nyanyuka mhaka kumbe na tifoni. That's very wrong, man. A hi ni kota ku dlaya.
Practice and get workshops and get training, mentorship. You think it's sketchy? That's the biggest problem.
Well, na swi swa wa swi kecha mara swi tsakisi. A ni dyondzekini.
And you think just because when this sketch in your village, therefore you're an actor? No, you're not.
And xin'wana la ku advise Fumani va ta n'wi ba wa leswaku hleketela ti-comments ta vanhu ku reply. I used to do this thing. Swa loko munhu a ni rhukatela ivi ni teka comment ya ni veka ni endla intro swi ni ta n'wi jigijela back. Va ta ku ba machangani. Loko ta va ri hlamula maharihari swi nga va khomi kahle van'wani vatswari va vanhu. And when they comment about Gallon of Blood, you don't have to attack them. You can always put your perspective without citing any comments, because umuntu angihlamula chaka la say aduma ma wo dumini. Bata ku ba machangani mfo.
No, you don't. I couldn't the actor of Vatsonga. Do you know how many? And basically, you guys are saying that we didn't audition.
Audition no going well.
That's what I'm saying. We looked. There are roles that were converted from Vatsonga to other languages simply because I could not the actor.
Tiko, the hectare, they're in the villages. You can't recognize them because your things that you do it's all about connections, Fumani. And the people learn mateka kumba isaba Vatsonga, learn kumba and the transitional moves like it's like they just pass by 2 minutes, 3 minutes. They can't be given roles to prove themselves. Mvanika the roles to want are useless. So that you want to prove us that we are incapacitated. That's nonsense, man. That's fuckery. It's bullshit. It must be called like that. Stop. Don't disrespect Vatsonga like that. Don't do it. Vatsonga bako ban wa actor, man. Bako ban wa actor. Kawai Vatsonga.
Corner, they are corner.
Vakona.
That's how much of a headache this thing is. So we want more wise men out there. Tell me one Tonga hunk. It's wise men, it's timber. That's it. It's two. It's wise men, not Mangai. There's no other Tonga hunk.
Wise men, Musa house. You must check these people's backgrounds where they come from Fumani before you stop talking things that do not make sense. And get take men so I'm never passionate hope doesn't change reality, by the way, if you didn't know. Kuna vela actually change ntiyiso wa mhaka. Like I'm never passionate kanjani, I won't go. I know a guy but mfundisi ka kambita baba.
Mongo,
yeah, Chabo Mongo. Do you know that guy did acting, anything, everything that has to do with acting in TAF?
Dog, that guy is fucking qualified, man.
Qualified. And because he couldn't get anything, he decided to add 1 year and do teaching. He's teaching in primary now. Why? Because even if he applies or goes there, they've never been called for auditions.
Remember when he gave us his ideas, man?
Man. And now you want to tell us that there are no people who went to training.
I think, one of those things, this guys, whatever. He had those opportunities from whoever.
Before you continue, I like that he was not born with a talent.
Yeah.
His talent was acquired. It makes sense for this one especially.
A lot of people that are on TV, and they're like, you can literally count the people that are like gifted,
talented, man.
And most of them are not qualified. They have training, but the talent is already there. So whatever that they put on the sides, but this guy
like Lucy Diallo from Generations.
You see, I'm like gangsters. You want to tell me like movies, man, like Tsotsi, Yizo, all these movies. For those things.
Nah, man.
Israel, bruh. That guy, before he went to school for acting, they took him because they saw how he was.
They saw a talent.
You see?
Because there was the skill and the capacity to go and pick talents.
But you can't say these people are not talented, man. They do have Mara. These guys, you see, and for Vatsonga, it's a Mayengani, until now. That's when they gave us this thing. And when they give it to us, instead of making this thing about the people, you just put it out there. A lot of people don't have access to information like that. Like to audition, as simple as auditions, man. Did you know about the auditions that Giyani Land of Blood were until you found out, it's coming?
No. You
didn't know anything. So these things are like in a certain space where people can access this information. Not everyone has that. I'm gonna smartphone, man. But everyone man, this guy is good. So we are not saying he's professionally good based on what you guys would require from him. But what connects with us, that's what we say, hey man, this guy is good. And those people are the ones who have like the resemblance of the story that they are trying to tell. Hence now we don't connect with it because it's like, you don't even know what
you are telling about. It in a, like you can say, if you come and say, fuck you, I will be like, what is that? I will feel it.
You see, it's even like, it's like
the resemblance.
Resemblance is like, it's like, a trilogy, dog. Trilogy is like, yeah.
But that's a good
Trilogy is like, let's say maybe, okay, Midabo, the first part, Midabo number 2. So it's like, this guy, it's like the resemblance of what actually the real story is about. Some way,
like he have a lived experience of that.
Oh yeah, like that. So these people are gonna access to that kind of information, and for them to get to that point,
no, you must pay him this one. Training in 1 year.
You see, so the story now is not about a thing; it's about the finances, and that's why it doesn't even land. You see, even SABC, man, like when they got these other stories, definitely they just went to people, the people who had the stories. And then they find maybe agencies that can find the actors. So we are not a story or we are not Uzalo already in an idea of what the life is about.
There's no speaking people, man.
So it doesn't matter if this one those people had to be, most of them had to be trained, man.
Yeah.
Some of them they grow with that experience, look over busy on set.
True.
You don't just get knowledge every. How many years did you spend How many years did you spend in vets? No, but like it's an example. Now, for example, if you know Guba in before after Kuala.
I don't think he's like his reasoning capacity is a privilege of someone who grew up in Santinyana, and then because he had access to know okay, kuna a Vodacom building now Vodacom. The only thing I knew about Vodacom, I would not work. The only thing I have Vodacom, you don't know I network Vodacom board. So you could see, oh, Vodacom building is there. You see the digital innovation is slogan, blah blah blah. So it's like it's the person who has access to information than many other village.
Information is very powerful, man. Because that disconnect, this disconnect that we have with Giyani.
But I mustn't insult Vatsonga, man. Let me just go on.
Go to the other tribes. My goodness. They've got hands lined up.
Yes. Why? Because they found them.
Go to
they know where the talent is.
My age, actors play my age. I'm the only one.
Oh, you are not an actor, Fumani. You remember, man. Honestly, Fumani is an actor. He's just now fumbling, but he is an actor. Season 1 was good. Maybe I don't know, but the last 2 seasons has been fucking up. But for him to say in his age he's the only one, he might be the only one. He's not like Fumani is not a representative or representation of Vatsonga, man. Everything he says, like everything he does, he was acting that this other part of when I was still watching Giyani of Blood, where his child came, blah blah blah. You can tell this person can't connect. This also he can't resemble whatever we're trying to say, because if like you will want Vatsonga to act like one Vatsonga act in a different way. This one was just totally a miss, man.
Someone like me, man, you disconnect your man now with Solis. So like I don't really like fall too much into Solis music. But man, the man to me is like, I remember when we met him like that time. I'm like, man, I grew up seeing this guy on TV, man, and now here I am live with him. It feels like you made it, man.
Amen.
But till to this day, man, I still sing those songs, man. Where I do it because that color, but for me, they define my childhood, because it's like, hey, dog, these things
because
to hit, man.
Yeah, because this thing is like at that point in time you could relate to it. It's like when someone does something. When Lovala Cherry over is something that you could relate to. And then in Giyani of Blood, they want to be modernized and stuff like that. It's good, take it to another level. But the identity of getting numbers, when this thing started, man, it was like there's a representation of Vatsonga. It was like you could feel this thing.
No, I was surprised, man, like when I found out a lot of people went out.
How many minutes?
It's 24.
Fuck.
Kabut Obed, Nabu Charles, that age group, they're the only one.
Wapenga. Not Vatsonga.
Kokwani, she's the only one in that level.
You might have a point.
Giyani as well. Mashori, he's the only one at that age.
Fumani, speak the things that you know. Just say he's the only one I know. If you want to mention the only, like, you ask a Zulu speak, oh, this guy is not song. So look, if you find a paid Zulu speaking person, who's the artist, the song, they will tell you it's Mayengani.
That's true.
Because why? Those, like, they will tell you it's Mayengani. Not that I only know Mayengani. Why? Because that's the only guy who's popular that you know. So you must also say, I only know this one. I only know this because I don't care about Vatsonga. Hence I can insult you and then tell you to come watch my show. Do you feel me?
I feel you, man.
Well, Zeke is a bit out his. But you see my point? I can count for you, Kabapiti. How many there are? I can count for you.
You can't count. You don't know them. Because you know the popular ones. How about TV?
They had to put Hungani to complete tables. Do you see how difficult this thing is? And you're coming and say, oh, no. Why Solani? It happens.
We're not saying it's not doesn't happen.
Actors
We do.
capable of playing
Man, this guy's insulting, man. I'm angry, man.
It's not.
I swear away, Mr.
Imagine once I don't even know what happened in the background. You know?
My man, we can complain about the quality of the video, even when we don't know what's happening in the background, because we know that you can do better. You know you can produce a quality stuff that is better than the expectation or that is off expectation. So you can't tell me I can't comment on your music because I'm not an artist. Because I will let them come music more. If that thing you are doing it for the actors, then why don't you stay with it and watch it yourselves? Just act, spend your money, and then see it yourself.
So relax,
I get relaxed.
Get people to go study acting. Get people to go study, learn and understand this thing. Before you come here,
you know, you're delusional.
Defensive, you're going wrong. You don't know what you're talking about. Listen, we don't have Tsonga actors. We need more wise men.
Fuck, man, I'm tired.
We need more.
We don't need.
If you say we need more wise men, it's like there are no wise men in Vatsonga.
You don't know them. He doesn't know them because why? He's not invested in Vatsonga. He's just masquerading as Mtsonga so that to get these opportunities. It's like now they come here, they be like, hela mundu aendla ku shock podcaster ka Vatsonga a Bushbuckridge. I'm going to be the first person because why? I'm popular. Especially let's say they ask in Giyani. They're going to say it's Maiva. Why not saying in Maiva because Maiva is the only person they know.
That's true.
So when these opportunities come, they find him because then he's connected with these big guys and then they be like, I'm Tom. Man, want to say?
Amen. Like, especially like like you see, we went to school you just hear it go
And this one.
Yeah, you went.
And it was a point there.
Loko abaying say na munhu nganga xikolo lawa nga university we A4.
My baba jaro kula impacha danuna city. Oh, yimani is famba na mwina kwalaka the channel that matters. Hambo kwata. Wallawa. Wallawa. Inazuku. Yeah, Mariana, mas muito obrigado. Ni família, dango.